Navigate to Claude AI in your browser. On the upper left corner, open the sidebar using the icon. Then click on Customize on the menu. You can click Connectors on the upper left side or Connect Your Apps in the center of the window. This will bring up the Connectors directory. Go ahead and type in Malwarebytes in the search field. As you type, the Malwarebytes connector should pop up. You can click the plus sign to connect or click into the connector to view the details. Let's click into it so we can verify we're installing the correct connector. Then click Connect in the window to enable it in your Claude AI. That's it. Super easy. Now let's test it out. I have a screenshot of an email I recently received pretending to be from crypto.com. The email contains a verification code. This is a very common scam tactic that is meant to scare you into calling the phone number provided. If I called, I would most likely reach a fake support call center, where they would use some social engineering ruse to break into my account. If you don't know what social engineering is, check out my other videos. As you can see, I provided Claude with the screenshot of the email and just asked it if it is a scam. Claude utilizes the Malwarebytes connector tool to search the database if the attribute of this specific threat exists. It first checked the sender and performed a whois lookup on the domain of the sender. Then it knows to compare the impersonated sender to what the legitimate sender should be. Even though the sender and the support number is not in their threat database, it's aware that this is a common scam and advises accordingly. Malwarebytes has been fighting against malicious threats and scammers for a very long time. I've been a customer for 10 plus years. If you want to support me and my work and want to buy their protection product, please use the link in the description.